right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Right now it's 10:05 a.m., March 9th, 2026. So let's dive into the charts. So again, every time I come into a trading day, I always go to the 1 hour just so I can take, have a bigger picture of what did the markets do or how's the market trending. And as we can see, we're still on a heavy bullish downtrend, a bearish, I'm sorry, not bullish, bearish downtrend. We kept on breaking lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So we're creating lower lows every time. So with that being said and having that in mind, I go to the 5 minute and that's where I mark my supports and resistance. So basically coming into today, we did have this resistance right here. I put my bar right here and we had supports right here as well. So wow, look at this, beautiful move down. So since we are in a bearish downtrend and we're heavily bearish, I did want to, if price were to break this resistance right here, this resistance right here, and break this to fill this gap, I went low risk on the buys. I wanted to give it a shot, but I was leaning more towards sells. So I was going a little heavier on the sells, and then on the buys, I was going very, very light, small position. Um, so once market opened, it was around here. It's 925, yeah, 930. So it rejected beautiful right here, this resistance. That's why I always like to put the box where the body begins till the end of the wick. And it rejected beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This trade took from 9:30 to 9:50, so like around 20 minutes, the longest trade I've been in. I actually got activated at 9:50, so the trade actually lasted um, 52 seconds. So the waiting took a little longer than usual, but um, so yeah, I did close at a 1-to-1. That's why I have this mark right here. That's where I usually mark my 1-to-1. And ever since last week, we haven't had any losses. It's just been so this is my fresh express account. So when I had the combines and you pass the accounts, the combine progress erases and then they transfer you to the live market. So right now I'm in the live market. The ones that I was trading last week was a combine. So last week we had no losses. In the previous videos, you can see each day how much I made. And yeah, we started off this XFA. It's actually 5 XFAs times 314. So I will be dropping a trade review of a weekly review of last week, and also I'm gonna do another video on my thoughts about the market coming into this week. So we did 314 times 5, and also right here on my Tradify accounts, which I took a payout last week of a $6,000 payout. I'm working on it again this week. So we made 365 times 4. And also I have another account, which is top one. I made 480 times 2. So yeah, it was a great start of the week. I usually go to for a 1-to-1 starting the week, just so I can start the week with the winner. And this is crazy. Price dropped all the way down to, from my entry, it dropped 177 points. So yeah, that's all. Thank you again for all the likes. Thank you for the subscription ahead of time. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And I will be doing the weekly review and also what do I think about the markets coming into this week. All right. God bless you guys. And I will, if you guys have any questions, concerns, please feel free to DM me, or you can leave a comment and I'll reach out. All right. Take care.